So when you're taking a selfie, this is what most people do. Peace sign. One eye. Weird face. Kissy lips. What up, everyone? It's your girl. I'm just like, tell them what to do. Hey, what up, guys? It's Girl Lovebird. So, I've been thinking. My last video, I jumped in the snow. And as you can see, I froze to death. And as you know my kitty, Mizzy. She's the cutest kitty in the world. So, my sled is pretty cool, and it's good. Feels weird. May or may not be disgusting. Sorry, that's my tooth, and it's wiggly. But, as you can see, there's a store called the Husky. And the Husky has a Husky. And it's the cutest Husky in the world. Okay, so, do I have two cats? Whoa, where's the jump cut? You have to answer their question, where's the jump cut? Sorry, I'm here. And my friend's brother asked for my saucer. Next day. And I didn't give it to him. It's right there. Got some dude. Like, legit, that one. You have to pick that one. You have to pick that one. You got to choose. Like, what's wrong with you? So, anyways, I am hungry, so I'm gonna go take a cover. Let's go. Come on, let's go. You're first too. Wait, why aren't you coming? You're supposed to follow me on Snapchat. Whoa! I meant Musical.ly. Not Snapchat. So, as you can see, we're in the pantry. So, we're gonna go digging free. We do have this. Let's see here. So, ooh. Okay, what about this? Garlic Alfredo spaghetti. It's the best stuff in the world. Honestly, I could die for that. So we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna make this. Let's do this. Okay. So apparently, we're not going to make any spaghetti right now. Chill. Okay, so here's the thing. We're gonna make it in 5 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not 4, not 3, not 2, not 1. 5. 5, amigos. Okay. What do you want to do? Just saying, FYI. Oh, sorry. Oh, look really bad. Like really bad in that. What was I gonna say? I don't know. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up because just give it a thumbs up. And you can see all my links below. And maybe I have some bloopers. You don't know. Maybe I have bloopers. Maybe I don't. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. But yeah, here we go. Here's some bloopers. Here, like chocolate milk. This. Oh, crap, the wrong thing. What? These are old and I'm gonna use them for my anyway. Drinking coffee. Okay, bye.